Download Dropbox. How to download from Dropbox. Now first of all, it depends upon what you mean by, because you can download your own files from Dropbox, or if someone has given you a certain link, you can also download the download link that they have provided from. So if it is your own account, you can open up Dropbox right here, and then you can, once you make sure that you're logged into the correct account, you want to go to the option called Files. Once you come to the Files option, you'll find all these particular options right here. So here you can tap on the three dots option. You'll find this option called Make Available Offline. This simply means that you want to download it so that you can save them on your computer for offline usage. So you can tap on this to basically download from Dropbox. Now in some cases, let's say someone shared you a link, no problem, just paste the link here. It will open up in the Dropbox app, and then you'll be able to download that particular file as well. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then download Dropbox, or how to download from Dropbox, right? Hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.